Here are some maintenance and care tips for the WalkingPad X21 double fold treadmill. Clean your treadmill regularly. Turn it off with the switch and unplug it. Apply a small amount of gentle cleaner to a cotton cloth. Don't spray directly on the treadmill. Wipe down the running belt and any other exposed surfaces that need it, but don't wipe under the running belt. If the running belt alignment needs correction, use the included enrich. If the belt is going towards the left, turn the left adjustment screw about a quarter turn clockwise. If it's going to the right, do that on the right side. If the belt is slipping, adjust both screws about a half turn clockwise each. Each time you adjust the belt, run the treadmill at about 2 miles per hour for 2 minutes to see if your corrections were enough. And lastly, lubricate the running belt every 3 months with silicone oil. Turn off the treadmill and unplug it. With the treadmill almost fully unfolded, lift the edge of the belt and apply about 5 to 10 milliliters of silicone oil to the surface below the running belt. Then, unfold the treadmill completely, plug it in, power it up, and run it at roughly 3 miles per hour for about 20 seconds before using it.